Look, Sophia, so many trees. This forest trail is amazing.
I love hiking with you, Jack. Let's find some cool rocks together.
Stay close to us, kids. Do not run too far ahead.
Okay, Dad. We will stay close. I promise. Look at this butterfly, Jack. It is so colorful and pretty.
Wow! Let's follow it a little bit, just a little bit further, okay?
Jack, wait for me. You are walking too fast. Come on, Jack. The butterfly is getting away from us.
Kids, where did you go? I do not see them anymore.
Emma, I cannot find Jack and Sophia. They were right here a moment ago.
Jack, Sophia, this is not funny. Please come back to us right now.
The butterfly flew away, Jack. Now what do we do?
I think Mom and Dad are back that way. Let's go find them quickly.
Wait, Jack. Which way did we come from?
I think it was this path. Or maybe that other one.
Are you sure, Jack? I am starting to feel scared.
Don't worry, Sophia. I will figure this out. I am the big brother.
Jack, listen! What is that sound?
Oh no, that sounds like thunder, Sophia. Is a storm coming?
I don't like thunder.
It's okay, Sophia. We just need to find Mom and Dad fast.
The sky is getting very dark now, Jack. I am really scared.
Stay close to me, Sophia. We will find them together. I promise.
Emma, the sky looks terrible. We must find our kids right now.
Jack, Sophia, please answer us. Where are you?
Mom, Dad, can you hear us? We are lost. Please help us.
The wind is blowing so hard now, Sophia. My hair is flying everywhere. We need to find shelter, Sophia. A storm is coming very fast.
Look, Jack, dark clouds everywhere. I am really scared now.
Don't cry, Sophia. I will protect you. I promise I will keep you safe.
Jack, look at that huge tree over there. Can we stand under it?
No, Sophia, wait. Standing under tall trees during a storm is very dangerous.
Why, Jack? It looks nice and dry under there.
Lightning likes to strike the tallest thing around, Sophia. A tall tree could get hit.
Oh no, I did not know that. What should we do instead then?
We need to find low ground, away from tall trees, something like a small cave or low bushes.
Look, Jack, there's a small rocky area over there. Let's check it out.
Good thinking, Sophia. Follow me carefully.
Wait, do you hear that, Jack?
Yes, the thunder is getting louder and closer. That means the storm is very close to us now.
I am so scared, Jack. What if we get struck by lightning?
We will be okay, Sophia. We just need to be smart about where we stand. Look, this rock area is low and away from tall trees.
This spot? Are you sure it's safe, Jack?
I remember Dad telling me lightning safety rules before. Stay low, stay away from tall objects, and don't touch metal.
Okay, Jack, I trust you. Let's crouch down together right here.
Sophia, remember we should crouch low, but not lie flat on the ground.
Like this, Jack? Am I doing it correctly?
Yes, exactly like that. Keep your feet close together too.
Why do we keep our feet together, Jack?
It helps keep us safer if lightning strikes nearby the ground. Ethan, I found footprints leading this way. Let's follow them quickly.
The storm getting worse, Emma. We must try to find our children.
Jack, Sophia, please, where are you?
Mom, Dad, we are over here. Can you hear us?
I think I heard something, Ethan. It sounded like Sophia's voice.
Jack, Sophia, keep talking. We are coming to find you.
We are near the big rocks, Mom. Please hurry.
Jack, do you see them yet?
Not yet, Sophia, but I hear Mom's voice getting closer. Just stay calm and keep waiting here.
The rain is falling really hard now, Jack. I am getting all wet.
I know, Sophia, but we must stay in this safe spot. Moving now could be more dangerous. You are being so brave right now, Sophia. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Jack. I am trying my best.
There they are, Ethan. I see them by the rocks. Jack, Sophia, we are here now.
Mom, Dad, you found us. I am so happy to see you.
My babies, are you both okay? Are you hurt anywhere?
We are okay, Mom. Jack kept me safe the whole time.
Really? Tell us what you did, Jack. We stayed low and away from tall trees, just like you taught me before.
That was very smart thinking, son. I'm so proud of you both. But we should not stay here, kids. This storm is very dangerous.
Where can we go, Dad?
Follow me. I know a safe cabin nearby.
Everyone hold hands and walk carefully together now. The ground is slippery from all this rain.
We made it, everyone. Let's go inside quickly and get dry.
This cabin feels so warm and safe. Sit down, kids. Let me get you some warm blankets.
Thank you, Mom. I was starting to feel very cold outside.
Jack, Sophia, we need to talk about today's adventure. What happened out there was very scary for all of us.
We are sorry, Mom and Dad. We walked away without telling you.
That was very dangerous, kids. You must always stay close to us outside.
We understand now. We will never wander off again, we promise.
Jack, can you tell everyone what you learned about lightning today?
Yes, Dad. When thunder and lightning start, we should never stand under tall trees.
That's right, son. What else you remember?
We should find low ground, away from anything tall around us, and crouch down low with our feet close together.
Excellent, Jack. You remembered everything perfectly during a scary situation.
Sophia, what did you learn today?
I learned to trust my brother and stay calm during scary moments.
That's a beautiful lesson, sweetie. Staying calm really helps in emergencies.
Can we share our lessons with everyone watching?
Of course, kids. Go ahead and teach them. Rule number 1, during a thunderstorm, never stand under tall trees.
Rule number 2, find low ground, away from tall objects around you.
Rule number 3, crouch down low, with your feet close together.
Rule number 4, always stay close to your parents outdoors.
Thank you, Jack and Sophia, for teaching everyone today. You're welcome, everyone. We are happy to share what we learned.
That was a very scary day, but we learned something important.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. We promise to always listen and stay close now. That makes us very happy to hear, kids. Let's warm up together and rest now.
Safe and warm, happy family. Storms are less scary when we know what to do.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.